These are not just tools, they are keys that unlock new ways to create, build, and repair. Each one takes precision a step further, revealing simplicity hidden within the difficult. Get ready to discover inventions that feel like they come from the future, ready to transform your work today. The Liuo 12-volt cordless right-angle electric wrench is one of those tools that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it. Imagine you are working under the hood of your car, or squeezing into a tight spot where a regular wrench just will not fit. That is where this little beast shines. With its right-angle design and compact size, it slips into tricky spaces and gets the job done without the usual frustration. Powered by a 12-volt battery and delivering up to 45 Newton-meters of torque, it is strong enough to handle stubborn nuts and bolts, yet light at only 0.71 kilograms, so your hand will not feel like it has been through a workout. It even comes with 4 sockets included, so you are ready to go right out of the box. Whether you are into car maintenance, home repairs, or just like having a smart gadget handy, this wrench feels like a secret shortcut in your toolbox. It is basically the ninja move of tightening and loosening. The EGOD 5-inch brushless electric circular saw is one of those tools that makes you feel like a pro the moment you switch it on. Compact yet powerful, this handheld saw is perfect for quick, precise cuts without the hassle of dragging around cords. It runs on DeWalt 20-volt batteries, which is a huge plus if you already have some lying around. Just snap one in and you are ready to roll. The brushless motor gives it more efficiency and longer life, so you spend less time worrying about wear and more time cutting through wood, panels, or whatever project you are tackling. Its 5-inch blade size strikes a sweet balance. Big enough for serious work, small enough to stay lightweight and easy to control. Whether you are doing do-it-yourself furniture, home improvements, or quick on-site jobs, this saw feels like the trusty sidekick that never lets you down. Think of it as the lightsaber of your workshop, small, sleek, and seriously sharp. The Wheel Marking Gauge by GDART is one of those tools that instantly makes woodworking feel smoother and more precise. Instead of juggling pencils, rulers, and guesswork, this little gadget gives you clean, repeatable lines with just one motion. The clever wheel-style scriber glides across wood fibers, leaving a sharp, accurate mark that does not smudge or wander, perfect for joinery, mortises, or anytime you need a reliable guide. What makes it extra handy is the dual scale in both inches and millimeters, so whether you are following metric plans or imperial, you are covered. Compact and sturdy, it slips into a tool bag easily, and the build feels solid enough to last for years of projects. It is one of those once you try it, you will never go back kinds of tools. Imagine drawing perfect parallel lines on your next woodworking project with the confidence of a master carpenter. That is exactly the vibe this gauge delivers. The Greenworks 8-volt mini grinder is like having a whole workshop that fits in your hand. Despite its compact size, just 194 millimeters long and weighing only 0.225 kilograms, it packs a surprising punch with its 80-watt motor and speeds up to 30,000 revolutions per minute. That means whether you are grinding, engraving, polishing, or even doing delicate do-it-yourself crafts, this tool can handle it with ease. It comes with a whopping 52 accessories, so you are basically ready for any project the moment you open the box. The variable speed control is a big win too. Slow it down for precision work, or crank it up for tougher material. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery with USB charging, it is cordless, convenient, and always ready to go. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of power tools. Small, versatile, and always handy when inspiration strikes. Once you try it, you will want to use it on everything from wood carvings to home repairs. The Gallicock 180 in 1 precision screwdriver set is basically the treasure chest of repair tools. Packed inside a neat storage box are 180 different bits and accessories, covering everything from the tiniest screws in a smartphone to the trickiest fasteners in watches, laptops, or cameras. The variety is huge: slotted, Phillips, Torx, 5-point, triangle, spanner, and more. If there is a screw out there, chances are this kit has the tool for it. Each bit is made from chrome vanadium steel, so they are tough, rust-resistant, and built to last. The magnetic tips are a lifesaver, grabbing tiny screws so they do not vanish into thin air. Plus, the handle has a non-slip ergonomic design, so you will not feel like you are wrestling with your gadgets. Whether you are a do-it-yourself enthusiast, a pro repairer, or just someone who likes fixing their own stuff, this set feels like holding the master key to all your tech. The Sifang pneumatic reciprocating saw is a serious upgrade for anyone working with metal, especially in automotive projects. Instead of struggling with bulky tools or slow manual hacksaws, this compact air-powered saw slices through sheet metal, exhaust pipes, or panels with precision and speed. Running at up to 3,400 strokes per minute, it has the bite to tackle tough jobs while still giving you control for clean, accurate cuts. With an average air consumption of just 6 cubic feet per minute, it is efficient enough to run smoothly on a standard air compressor without draining all your power. Its slim, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tighter spaces around a car body or workshop bench. Whether you are cutting out rust, modifying parts, or handling custom fabrication, this tool feels like a shortcut to clean, professional results. Picture it as a metal scalpel, sharp, fast, and always ready to carve through the job at hand. The Nicell 3-in-1 router milling groove bracket is like giving your router superpowers. Normally, routing circles, grooves, or precise shapes can be tricky, but this clever jig takes the guesswork out of it. Made from sturdy aluminum, it is lightweight yet durable, and it attaches to your router to transform it into a circle cutter, groove guide, and milling bracket all in one. That means you can cut perfect circles for tabletops, create neat parallel grooves for panels, or just get extra stability when shaping wood. It is the kind of tool that instantly makes woodworking feel smoother and more professional without adding any bulk to your setup. Plus, it comes in a compact package that slips right into your tool bag, ready whenever inspiration strikes. The SmartCraft 4 mode brushless electric hammer drill is the kind of powerhouse that makes tough jobs feel almost effortless. Designed to run on DeWalt 20-volt batteries, this cordless beast packs an impressive 1,800 watts of power, blasting through materials like granite, brick walls, and concrete without breaking a sweat. The real magic is in its 4 modes. Use it as a regular drill for precise holes. Switch to hammer mode for heavy-duty masonry. Lock in a chisel for shaping or slotting, or go full pick mode for cutting channels in walls. With speeds up to 4,000 revolutions per minute and an impact rate of 5,200 impacts per minute, it is built to deliver serious results. The brushless motor keeps it running cooler, longer, and without the wear and tear of traditional motors. Add in an SDS chuck system for quick bit changes, and you have got a tool that feels just as ready for construction sites as it does for do-it-yourself projects at home. The Engraver S1 mini laser engraver is like having a creative workshop packed into a compact portable machine. Do not let its small size fool you. With a 6-watt, 6,000 milliwatt laser and speeds up to 10,000 millimeters per minute, it can engrave clean, detailed designs onto wood, leather, paper, acrylic, glass, and more. Its engraving area of 130 by 130 millimeters is just right for custom logos, art projects, or personalized gifts, and the ultra-fine 0.04 millimeter laser spot makes every line crisp and precise. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to move around, perfect for beginners or hobbyists who want to dive into do-it-yourself laser cutting without investing in a massive setup. With USB connectivity and simple controls, it is user-friendly but still powerful enough to spark endless ideas. Imagine etching your name into a leather wallet, carving a design into wood, or adding a personal touch to glassware. This little engraver makes it all possible. It is basically the magic pen of makers. The FM SN58B 6-jaw crimping tool set is the kind of all-in-one helper that makes electrical work so much easier. Instead of juggling multiple tools for different connectors, this set handles DuPont, JST, Molex terminals, ferrules, butt connectors, solar plugs, and even coax connectors, all with one smart design. Its 6 interchangeable jaws let you switch setups in seconds, making it super versatile for both quick fixes and more complex wiring projects. Made from durable carbon steel, it has the toughness to stand up to repeated use, while the bent, ergonomic handle ensures comfort and grip so your hands do not tire out. Whether you are building do-it-yourself electronics, maintaining solar systems, or repairing cables, this tool gives you clean, secure crimps every time. The ZM electric grinder is a compact powerhouse built for precision work. Weighing just 0.98 kilograms, it is light enough to handle with ease, but strong enough to tackle serious projects. With speeds ranging from 26,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, this grinder makes short work of polishing, cutting, and carving. Whether you are shaping jade, detailing wood, or adding fine touches to metal, its handheld design gives you full control, almost like holding a pen that just happens to have high-power cutting ability. The included battery keeps it cordless and convenient, so you can move freely without being tied to an outlet. It is especially handy for artisans, hobbyists, or anyone who wants to bring their creative ideas to life with a bit of extra power. Imagine it as a precision brush, but instead of paint, it sculpts and polishes with raw speed, turning delicate projects into finished works of art. The No-Hawk 2-in-1 laser tape measure is one of those gadgets that makes old-school measuring tapes feel outdated. At first glance, it looks like a standard 5-meter steel tape, but hidden inside is a powerful laser distance meter that can measure up to 40 meters or 80 meters with pinpoint accuracy, plus or minus 0.1 meter. That means you can measure across a whole room without even crossing it. Perfect for interior design, decoration, or do-it-yourself projects, it does not just measure length. It also calculates area, volume, and even Pythagorean measurements with a few button presses. The LCD display makes readings crystal clear, and with USB recharging, you do not have to worry about running out of batteries mid-project. At only 82 by 50 by 76 millimeters, it is compact, pocket-friendly, and ready to go anywhere. Imagine measuring a wall with one click, then flipping out the tape to double-check details. It is like having both a laser pointer and a classic tape measure rolled into one sleek little device. The High Cloud Trinocular Stereo Microscope is like stepping into a whole new level of precision for electronics and repair work. Designed with 3.5 times to 90 times magnification, it is perfect for PCB soldering, phone repair, and detailed inspections, letting you see the tiniest solder joints and components in crystal clarity. The trinocular head not only gives you a comfortable stereo view, but also allows you to connect a camera for recording or live streaming your work. With a 38-megapixel full high-definition USB or HDMI camera option, you can project your view onto a monitor in real time, a total game changer for training, documenting, or just working with less eye strain. The WF 10 times wide field eyepieces and 360-degree rotatable head make it adaptable and easy to use, while the built-in 56 LED ring light ensures everything is bright and evenly lit. Built from solid metal, it is sturdy enough for industrial labs, yet just as useful for do-it-yourself repair benches. The No-Hawk Mini Digital Distance Meter is one of those pocket-sized gadgets that instantly makes measuring faster, smarter, and way more fun. Forget unrolling clunky tape measures across a room. With this sleek device, you just point, press, and get an instant reading. Available in 30-meter, 50-meter, or 60-meter ranges, it is accurate down to an impressive 0.001 meters, which is way beyond what you would ever get with traditional tapes. It is powered by a rechargeable battery, so no need to hunt for replacements, and its compact design means it fits right in your pocket or tool pouch. Perfect for builders, designers, or do-it-yourself lovers, it does not just measure distance, it is also handy for quick layout checks, home renovations, and interior planning. Imagine measuring an entire wall for furniture placement in just a second. No helpers, no hassle, no sagging tape. It is like having a laser pointer that also happens to be a super precise ruler. The Microscope portable gas leak detector is the kind of safety tool that gives you peace of mind whether you are at home, in the workshop, or checking pipes on the job. Compact and lightweight, it is easy to carry around and simple to use. Yet it packs a high-precision gas sensor that quickly detects combustible gases like methane, hydrogen, or carbon monoxide. What makes it extra handy is the audible and visual alarm system, so even if you do not see it, you will definitely hear it when there is danger. The adjustable sensitivity means you can fine-tune it depending on the situation, whether you are scanning for a faint leak or checking a high-risk area. It is a practical tool for electricians, HVAC technicians, and even homeowners who want a reliable way to stay safe. Think of it like a nose with superpowers, always sniffing out invisible threats before they become problems. The KS Eagle electric foam knife is a must-have if you ever work with styrofoam, insulation boards, or do-it-yourself art projects. Instead of fighting with messy, jagged cuts from regular blades, this tool uses high-temperature stainless steel blades to slice through foam like it is butter. The result? Smooth, precise edges without the crumbling mess. Available in cutting lengths from 10 to 25 centimeters, it adapts to different tasks. Whether you are trimming insulation panels for home projects or shaping foam for creative crafts, powered by alternating current electricity, 110 volts or 230 volts, it heats up quickly and stays consistent so you can work efficiently without interruptions. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to handle, while the heated blade feels almost like a hot knife through butter, literally. For crafters, builders, or hobbyists, this tool turns frustrating cuts into clean, effortless lines, making foam work feel almost satisfying. The Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool is one of those Swiss Army knife power tools that quickly becomes the star of any toolbox. Designed to run on Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, it frees you from cords and gives you the flexibility to work anywhere. With a brushless motor and 6 variable speeds from 8,500 to 21,000 oscillations per minute, it adapts to whatever job you throw at it, from cutting wood and sanding surfaces to grinding, scraping, or even delicate touch-ups. The quick release system means swapping between the 23 included accessories takes seconds. No tools needed. Plus, the adjustable side handle adds comfort and stability, making long sessions much easier on your hands. Whether you are tackling home renovations, assembling furniture, repairing fixtures, or just doing creative do-it-yourself projects, this multi-tool feels like the ultimate problem solver. The Ryland 22-gauge pneumatic upholstery nailer is the kind of tool that makes furniture work, framing, and upholstery jobs fast, clean, and satisfying. Compact at 220 by 190 millimeters, it fits comfortably in hand, but delivers serious performance with a working pressure range of 60 to 120 pounds per square inch. Designed for 22-gauge staples from 6 to 16 millimeters in length with 9 millimeter crown width, it is versatile enough to handle upholstery, woodworking, picture frames, and light construction tasks. The 190 staple capacity means less time reloading and more time getting things done. And with 2,000 staples included in the kit, you are ready to dive straight into your projects. Built with durability in mind, it is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to maneuver without tiring out your hands. Whether you are restoring an old chair, tacking fabric, or fastening panels, this stapler turns what could be a tedious task into a quick and precise one. The CZ Extended 3/8-inch electric ratchet wrench is built for those moments when your hands cannot quite reach, but the job still needs to get done. With its 6-inch long neck and slim compact head, it is perfect for slipping into tight engine bays, narrow corners, and hidden bolts that usually make you want to give up. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers up to 55 Newton-meters of torque at 220 revolutions per minute, plenty for most auto repairs and home projects. And if you need extra strength, you can switch to manual mode for up to 150 Newton-meters without damaging the tool. The set includes two 12-volt, 2000 milliamp-hour batteries, giving you hours of cordless freedom, plus a built-in LED light and power indicator to keep you working smoothly, even in dark spots. With its variable speed trigger and forward or reverse switch, it is as versatile as it is powerful. If you have ever fought with a stubborn bolt that just refuses to move, this Milwaukee 18-volt high torque impact wrench is about to become your best friend. With a whopping 1,300 Newton-meters of torque, it is like having the strength of a heavyweight mechanic right in your hands. The brushless motor not only gives it crazy power, but also keeps things efficient and smooth, meaning less heat, less wear, and a longer life. And because it is cordless, you are free to tackle car repairs, truck maintenance, or even heavy construction tasks without being chained to an outlet. The 18-volt 6,000 milliamp-hour lithium-ion battery packs serious stamina, so you can keep working without those constant recharges. Add to that Milwaukee's Red Link Plus intelligence, which keeps the tool safe from overloads and overheating. And you have got a machine built to handle tough jobs without breaking a sweat.